Avalanche could be getting ready to surprise everyone this year. Is an XRP ETF possible? And is Bitcoin about to blast off to new all-time highs before the halving? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We've just posted a spotlight video this morning on an under-the-radar micro-cap altcoin that could do a 1000x, which you have to go check out after this video, and I'll leave it linked down below.
The project that we're looking at today is similarly evolving from the Web3 version of a product that you probably already know, really into a full-fledged Web3 infrastructure player. And all of this with a market cap that is still somehow below $1 million.
The AVAX price has increased significantly over the past 20 days, culminating with a high above $40 on February 10th. Blockchain builder Avalanche has laid out details for its scaling solution Vryax as part of plans to get the Avalanche blockchain to support speeds of around 100,000 transactions per second. Avalanche is already implementing the scaling approach, which was detailed in a research report published today. The scaling approach will be enabled on the first HyperSDK testnet, which is targeted for the middle of Q2 this year. HyperSDK is the framework for building high-performance blockchains that have virtual machines, enabling them to offer smart contracts. Vryax will be used to support such blockchains built using the HyperSDK, known as hyperchains, and the idea is that the technology will trickle down to the main blockchain platform over time. The core idea behind Vryax is the notion of splitting up parts of the transaction process and having them run in a pipeline fashion. That means a block of transactions may be getting verified while the next block is already in development. This type of strategy has already been employed by blockchain platforms such as Aptos and Sui. Avalanche has been blowing up recently with gaming and just had one of their AAA games, Shrapnel, launch an early access event this weekend for people to play the game, which attracted a lot of attention. Avalanche wrote on X, Avalanche is the place for ambitious game studios to bet on themselves. Fully customizable subnets and easy-to-use tooling have gaming on AVAX primed to scale, not to mention the support of a talented gaming community of developers and creators eager to help each other out. They added AAA shooter Shrapnel uses a custom token for gas on their subnet, so they're really not sweating the cost. Maybe that's how they can afford their upcoming tournament prizes. They also shared a clip from Gaming on AVAX, where they're making gaming tournaments more fair through blockchain technology.
We think that this model that we're building actually really synergizes, like you couldn't build it better in Web 2. Everything is on chain. Everything is completely verifiable by anyone. Anyone can look at the smart contracts. Anyone can see that each player is essentially hashing or like kind of masking their moves and then revealing it themselves. There's huge scandals back in the day in online poker. It came out that a couple websites, essentially employees had God mode turned on and they could see other people's hands and they were just winning so much money to the point that players basically combined all of their hands that they played against this God mode player and statistically proved that this person was cheating, right? And there's always, when it comes to stuff where people are competing for money, there's always that like concern, is someone, doing something?
They have an edge.
I think that's the beauty of having everything on chain and people can audit it and look at the smart contracts themselves and they can look at how we're securing player data.
Our partners at Enjin brought the world of Bazogia into the Enjin ecosystem in December 2023. In less than 2 months, this world-building MMO is fulfilling its promises by minting its first NFT on the Enjin blockchain. The exclusive NFTs, known as the Thunderbolt, serve as the Bazogia's powerful weapons. Equipped with these extraordinary weapons, the charming and lovable inhabitants of Bazogia transform into formidable characters. With a Thunderbolt, you too can potentially reign supreme over your adversaries. To commemorate the launch of its first Enjin NFT collection, World of Bazogia is hosting a user-generated content tournament called the Builders Tournament. Only a select few will be deemed worthy of receiving the highest class of Thunderbolts. User-generated content lies at the heart of the game's experience. Drawing inspiration from popular titles like Roblox and Fortnite, World of Bazogia takes user-generated content to the next level by providing a seamless and accessible experience for everyone. With the game's powerful creator toolkit, anyone can easily drag and drop 3D models and create maps. No coding skills required. Enjin community members will have the opportunity to experience this powerful toolkit and become world-class builders. World of Bazogia offers 3 exciting gameplay modes: open world, player versus player, and first-person shooter. In the immersive MMORPG and the intensive PvP modes, the Thunderbolt will serve as a formidable weapon, ensuring that your Bazogia becomes a force to be reckoned with. The Thunderbolt will be limited to only 1,000 ever created. Powered by Enjin, World of Bazogia is introducing in-game assets for the Enjin community. Players are invited to use these assets to craft unique maps and those who create the best maps have a chance to win exclusive Thunderbolt NFTs. The Builders Tournament will be launching this Thursday, February 15th, 2024. Participants are equipped with a virtual sandbox and a wide array of tools, enabling them to breathe life into the landscapes of their wildest fantasies or their deepest fears. Check out the World of Bazogia competition powered by Enjin with the links down below. The cryptocurrency landscape could be on the verge of a significant transformation with the potential introduction of an XRP ETF. Chad Steingraber, a cryptocurrency analyst and professional game designer, has recently shared insights on how an XRP ETF could substantially impact the value of this digital currency. Steingraber's analysis suggests that the approval of an XRP ETF could be a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency, potentially leading to a notable increase in its price. The mechanism behind this anticipated surge involves the ETF acting as a major holder of XRP, thus becoming a significant player in the cryptocurrency's market presence. By purchasing XRP from the public and locking it up, the ETF effectively reduces the circulating supply of the token while simultaneously increasing demand. This dynamic is expected to trigger a price increase, benefiting current holders and attracting new investors. Moreover, Steingraber outlines a dual strategy for the ETF to impact the XRP price positively. On the utility front, the ETF could channel XRP into an institutional liquidity hub, creating a centralized pool enabling investors to utilize the token actively. From an investment perspective, introducing an XRP ETF is anticipated to drive investments, further stimulating demand and contributing to a price increase. The future of XRP and the potential for an ETF is closely tied to the resolving ongoing legal challenges between XRP and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Steingraber highlights that resolving this legal dispute is crucial for unlocking new investment in XRP. Bitcoin starts a new week in fighting form after its highest weekly close since December 2021. Bitcoin price strength continues as key resistance comes into play near $50,000. Is there more upside to come? Bitcoin traders are focusing on the odds after a 13% green weekly candle and the halving just 2 months away. The February 11th weekly close was a special one for Bitcoin bulls at around $48,300. It was the highest since mid-December 2021. Last week closed with gains of just under 13.5%, easily Bitcoin's best of 2024 so far. Michael Vanderpump wrote, Bitcoin looking at the resistance, massive weekly candle through which Bitcoin is back above $48,000. I'm personally interested in what price will do around $50,000 in the upcoming 1 to 2 weeks. Vanderpump added that Bitcoin had been stronger and more resilient than he expected, reasoning that up to $57,000 was still possible before the April halving. More concerned about the $50,000 mark, James Van Straten, research and data analyst at crypto insights firm CryptoSlate, flagged on-chain data as a reason for caution. Citing the percentage of Bitcoin supply now held at a profit, he showed that Bitcoin is now approaching topping out levels of past bull markets. Bitcoin is approaching 95% of all supply and profit, which usually marks the tops, adding we got to 93% when Bitcoin was at 49,000. The inverse also works when less than 50% of all supply is in profit, which usually marks a bottom. In Ally Charts on X shared, the super trend just flashed a buy signal on the Bitcoin monthly chart, a tool known for its precision in predicting Bitcoin bull markets. The 4 buy signals it's issued since Bitcoin's inception have all been validated, leading to gains of 169,000%, 9,900%, 3,600%, and 828% respectively. That's it for Altcoin Buzz's update. I'm Ruskin Buffington. Thanks for watching.